Hi, I'm Mr. Yap.
Hi, I'm Najihah. We are from Devos Neighborhood. Okay, so hari ni saya nak tunjuk satu produk yang boleh menghilangkan karat, iaitu Evapo-Rust dari CRC. So kalau korang ada any peralatan motor ke, peralatan rumah ke yang dah berkarat, inilah penyelamat dia.
Oh, this stuff is so amazing. It's non-toxic, biodegradable, no acid, no solvent, and no VOCs.
Yes, itu yang buat saya suka dengan produk ni. Dia kalau kita guna, dia sangat selamat. So tak ada macam rasa yang macam bau menyengat ke ataupun tangan pedih ke. And lagi satu, dia tak akan rosakkan permukaan asal logam.
Exactly, and it is reusable. You can repeat to use it many times over and over again, and until it becomes a black color. It preserves the metal surface and even rubbers. It's very good to use. That's why a lot of professional workshop using it.
So kat sini saya ada tools yang dah lama berkarat.
But no worries, I'm going to show you how to remove the rust without scraping or sanding it.
Betul ke Mr. Yap? Tak payah gosok? So just rendam je?
Betul. Let me show you now.
Okay, jom kita rendam dulu tools yang berkarat ni. So kita akan purposely rendam secara terbalik sebab kita nak tunjuk yang rust remover ni takkan rosakkan permukaan rubber ataupun plastik.
Just we need to make sure it's fully submerged. We leave it for 1 to 2 hours. The good thing of this solution is it's safe when you're touching it with your fingers. It's safe and won't hurt you. It's no damage to the tools. The original surface is perfectly preserved.
And Mr. Yap, kalau korang nak tahu, kandungan dia memang mesra alam. So even kalau kita buang pun, dia akan selamat untuk alam sekitar sebab dia tak ada harsh chemical at all. Kalau korang ada barang yang berkarat kat rumah, any tools macam screwdriver ke, hammer ke, any tools yang dah berkarat kat rumah, korang boleh try guna CRC Evapo-Rust. Memang mudah, selamat dan berkesan.
Exactly. This product does all the job without hurting you and even not hurting the planet. Nothing is better than that. Devo, connecting lubrication with engineering.
Follow us for tips, deals and all the things about lubricant. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.